Are you getting overwhelmed with all these launches which are coming in and all these Facebook ads that you are seeing? And you're wondering which project is the right fit for you? Click the link below and we will get in touch with you. Also, in this video, I'll explain what kind of projects are for which kind of buyer, and I will try to help you and clear a little bit of confusion that I can understand. I mean, it gets overwhelming for us as well when so many projects are being launched. So as a buyer, I can only understand when you're trying to buy something which is the best for you. How do you find the right fit? So we will go chronologically. The first project which is being launched very recently is MR Arabian Ranches 3 June, which are semi-detached villas. The good thing about the major USP is there are 35 units exclusively, and these are semi-detached villas with side gardens. These are the very unique kind of unit which are being launched in Arabian Ranches 3. These are for the buyers who wants to have a villa kind of living, but they don't have the budgets of 5, 6, 7 million so that they can go for MR villa. So this is something which is in between a townhouse and a villa. It's the perfect match, and plus it's exclusive. There are only 35 units and it's a big cluster, so very spacious, very open. Only 4 and 5 bedrooms starting at 3.2 million dirhams. Second project which is being launched after that is La Rosa Phase 6 by Dubai Properties, and we have seen time and time again, every time a La Rosa phase has been launched, people have literally lined up to buy. So they launched La Rosa Phase 4 during COVID in March of 21, and even in that time when we had those lockdowns, people lined up from the night before of the launch, and they were waiting in line, and that's how the project was sold off, and all these projects have been sold off in hours. So what kind of buyers is this for? If you're looking for a developed community where everything is ready and you want a good price, this is starting at 1.45 million and a decent size, the size is 1950 square feet, then the project is for you. So it's for buyers who are quality conscious, who want a very good brand like Dubai Properties, and who want a developed community where everything is already ready. This is for them. Third project which is getting launched is Neshama Town Square. Again, very spacious layouts. The only challenge with Neshama Town Square is the location. It's after Emirates Road. It's opposite to Dubai Properties Mudons. Again, a very good project if you're looking for spacious layouts at a reasonable price. So their pricing is starting at 1.68 million dirhams, and the layouts for 3 bedroom plus maid is around 2200 square feet. And the best part is all these townhouses are single row townhouses. So you have got a row of townhouses, then you have got the back gardens of the townhouses, then you have got another walk through garden, and then you have got the garden of the townhouse opposite to you. So very spacious. The layouts are also spacious. In terms of value for money, it's also very good, and it's a developed community in Neshama. The park is developed, everything is developed. More of an end user product. I would not place it as an investor friendly product. And now the fifth and most highly talked about project, Damac Lagoons. If you're looking for investment or end use, I honestly believe this is a very good project, but it's only for the people who are fast movers first. Second, they are fine if their particular cluster is ready, but the other clusters around them are getting ready. So this entire community will take shape maybe in 7 to 10 years, but your particular cluster will be ready in 3 years. But if I talk about the pricing is only 1.49 million dirhams. The location is Hesra Street. 3 bedrooms are starting at more than 2000 square feet. And the best part is this is a luxury lifestyle living. They are developing Damac Lagoons with a very unique theme, something that has never been seen before in Dubai. There are 8 different clusters which are being developed with the theme of 8 different cities. The first city that they are launching is Santorini, Greece. The townhouses will have the facade, the feel, and the look of Santorini in Greece. And it's a lagoon community, and it is being developed with a holiday theme. So whenever you go for a holiday, whatever amenities you get in resorts, you have all that kind of build up, all that kind of atmosphere which is there. Also, very importantly, whenever any project, any developer is launching a very new community, the first phase that they launch in a new community, you should always go for that. Why? When a developer is launching a new community, the market does not know about that community. The developer wants the market to know about the community. The best way to do it is to launch the project at a massively low price that creates an enormous buzz in the market, and then have people lined up to buy, that will again create the buzz in the market, and most of the time these projects are oversubscribed. Half of the people get it, half of the people don't get it, but it helps in creating the buzz. So when you are buying the very first phase in a new project, in a new community, you are getting the best value for money. We have seen so many examples. Look at MR South, look at Dubai Hill Estate, look at Dubai Properties La Rosa, look at Serena, look at Villanova. Whenever anyone bought the very first phase in all these communities, they made a lot of money. Be it Damac Hills one, all these communities. So if whether you are an investor or you are an end user, the maximum value for money that you will get is in Damac Lagoons, but it's not for everyone. It's for people who are very fast movers, who are ready to book immediately. And again, since it's not ready, you will not be seeing the ready sample townhouses or all those things like that. This is the reason the price is only 1.49 million dirhams. And for very fast movers who can book within a day or two, we have got 2% DLD waiver, but I will not talk about it a lot because I don't know when they are going to remove it. If you need any more details, click the link below and we will get in touch with you. If you want to clear the confusion, I can understand. Even after this clarification, there are so many projects out there and it's going to be confusing. If you need any more clarity, click the link below. We will get in touch with you. We will understand what exactly are your requirements, what exactly is your budget, how exactly are your finances planned, where is your office, where is your wife's office, where is your children's school, and accordingly we will suggest which is the best available option for you. So click the link below.